Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about derivative of trigonometric functions. This topic is under differential calculus, and this math is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. I have here y is equal to cosine to the fourth t minus sine to the fourth t. So I can make this one cosine squared t raised to the second power. By the way, we will recall our difference of two squares. This will be a plus b and then a minus b. Note that this is a and this is b. So this will be my a. Then next will be sine squared t raised to the second power. So this is now the standard form of difference of two squares. So to factor this will be a plus b, a and b. So this will be cosine squared t plus sine squared t. And then next is a minus b, a minus b. So this will be cosine squared t minus sine squared t. Then we will recall our simple trigonometric function. So we know that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. So cosine squared plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So take note, addition is commutative. When you say 3 plus 1, it could be 1 plus 3. The answer is 4. Like this, cosine squared plus sine squared theta is the same as sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. So I can do this one as cosine t plus sine squared t is equal to 1. So I need to replace this one. So cosine squared t plus sine squared t is equal to 1. And then copy this one. Circle brackets cosine squared t minus sine squared t. So I need to distribute. So this will be cosine squared t minus sine squared t. So this is now the equation. So I need to differentiate using differential. So dy over dt. Because the variable is t, so it should be dt. So cosine squared. So this will be 2 cosine t. Then derivative of cosine t. So this will be negative sine t. Then minus. This is minus derivative 2 sine t. Then derivative of sine is cosine t. So this will be minus 2 sine t cosine t, and then this will be also minus 2 sine t cosine t. So recall again our basic formula in trigonometry. What is 2? What is the value of 2 sine t cosine t? So this is double angle. This will be sine 2t. Okay? So this will be negative. So I have here 2 sine t cosine t. The equivalent is, this will be sine 2t. So it should be negative sine 2t. Then minus the same. This will be minus sine 2t. And then minus minus. So this will be minus 2 because this is 1. Transparent 1. This one is invisible 1. So 1 and 1, this will be negative 2 sine 2t. So this is dy over dt. That's all.